When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay. You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow. You got me with your logic on that?
Alright guys, today we've got Judge Oakley going head to head with a cocky stoner kid who thinks he's the main character in a real-life courtroom drama. This guy is completely lost, acting like the law doesn't apply to him at all, and Judge Oakley is about to deliver the rudest wake-up call of his life. Let's dive into it and drop a comment telling us whether you think this kid will actually listen to Judge Oakley, or if he's just going to walk out and roll another blunt. Let's get into it.
Come on up, Mr. Vick. Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Who's your attorney?
I don't have one.
Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right, I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
Let me see.
All right, I understand you're almost done with school?
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job at Father Saturday.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
I'm trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double parking? And we've already got a double ROA for it? Oh.
So everything.
It's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay. All right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the bait shop in Logo.
Okay.
And I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got a driver's license?
No, sir.
Yeah, transportation is going to be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully, that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduated this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate.
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't need about that, but.
When did you start smoking dope?
I can already answer that. This guy looks like he's been smoking since the day he was born. The doctor probably cut the umbilical cord and he hit a blunt right after. It doesn't take a genius to notice it. His eyes are half closed, he's moving at about 2 frames per second, and he's got that classic "I have no idea where I am" face. This man is clearly a stoner with 0 worries in the world except his Zaza. And look, being laid back is one thing, but showing up to a courtroom looking like you just took a massive gravity bong rip is wild. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this dude is high right now. Let me know what you guys think, because I really feel like he might be.
When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Okay. How often you hit it?
That often.
What's that mean?
Like, barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
See.
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. if you don't do something drastic. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right? If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay? If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I pay for it. You know?
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Fired? Well, I did have a plan, but officer got fired, he should be able to get something.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC fellow.
Okay. And how did you mean a cop?
Yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when it happened, I guess he got here to reach the
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I wouldn't have a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean,
that ain't even going to cover tuition.
This dude really just said he makes $14,000 a year and was planning to go to college if he hadn't gotten fired from his little job. I'm sorry, but I'm not buying that at all. That's basically like saying, yeah, I was totally going to be a doctor, but McDonald's let me go. Come on now. That said, I actually do feel bad for this kid, because if we're being honest, it's pretty clear he doesn't have a male role model in his life to show him how to act. Judges usually don't show sympathy, but Judge Oakley genuinely seems to care here. You can tell just by the way he's talking to him. I really hope Judge Oakley manages to set him straight, but honestly, I don't think it's going to happen. This kid seems pretty stuck in his ways. And if I'm being real, I don't think he's going to college at all. Even if he does, he'll probably drop out, because it doesn't seem like he respects authority, whether it's teachers, officers, or judges. This dude just doesn't care about anything.
Okay, well, I'm also adopted, so, you know, the state would pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service. Have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
I honestly don't think that kid is going to change anything. He'll probably go home and light up the Z like nothing ever happened, and that's the sad part. So many young guys out here are just lost, no direction, no discipline, just drifting through life and making terrible decisions. This is exactly what happens when there's no strong male role model around. Nobody's there to teach them responsibility, how to make smart choices, or even how to carry themselves with some self-respect. Instead, they treat court like it's a joke, thinking the judge is just going to dap them up and let them walk away. But the law doesn't work like that. The judge is completely right, and you can tell this guy doesn't care. He's probably going to show up in court again in the future. But hey, that's just my take. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should we feel bad for him, or is he just setting himself up for failure? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. I post every single day, so stay tuned. I appreciate all of you for watching, and as always, take care, everybody.